Every revolution begins deep beneath the earth, where raw power is born. Lithium, the heart of electric energy, extracted with precision. Aluminum is forged in fire, shaping strength without weight. Steel, engineered for durability, built to endure extreme forces. Copper carries the lifeblood of electricity through every circuit. These elements begin a global journey toward innovation. Precision logistics ensure every component arrives on time. Speed meets efficiency in the race toward production.
Across oceans, Maine, materials travel thousands of miles.
Finally, the journey reaches the factory floor. A facility where innovation meets engineering excellence.
Robots perform with unmatched precision. Every weld, perfect.
The backbone of the HUMMER EV takes shape. Advanced battery systems built for extreme performance. Power is integrated at the core, silent yet unstoppable. Electric motors redefine torque, instant, relentless power. Engineered for both comfort, A-team, and off-road dominance. Luxury meets technology inside every detail. A cockpit designed for the future of driving. Layers of perfection, painted with robotic precision. A finish that reflects power and prestige. Thousands of parts united into one machine. Every detail is tested. Nothing is left to chance. The beast is born. Protected for the journey ahead. Prepared for delivery across the nation. Rolling power, heading toward its destination. Global demand requires global reach.
The destination is near.
Speed ensures rapid delivery.
where innovation meets admiration.
As you can hear, the hybrid engine is incredibly quiet. It also comes with a panoramic sunroof.
It handles beautifully. What do you think, Maria?
I love the interior color.
Every detail, crafted for experience.
Rewriting the rules of movement. Built to dominate the impossible. Even in darkness, it leads the way. "2026 Hummer EV. Power redefined for a new era."
It's been a pleasure working with you and the wireless and with our color.
Likewise, I think we achieved something great here.
Yeah.